Hello, I wanted to share with you more of the work we're doing with offline editing in the browser. So we've been building a JavaScript library which allows users to load in a browser on a mobile device. In this case we're using a PC, but on any device, an application which provides access to ArcGIS, ArcGIS Server or ArcGIS Online, and provides the ability to do editing in both online and offline modes in the browser. So as you can see, we've got protected data in this current application, so I'm just going to log into it. This is actually data coming out of ArcGIS Online. What you'll see as we log in is that data loading. So we've got a base map layer, and we've got polygon, point and line data overlaying that. We can actually see here that those data sets just to the left here. Now the indicator you've got here is indicating that we're online. I'm going to show you some of the tools that we've got built into this. The top two tools are actually tile package tools. So had we got a tile package on the device, this would be applicable to a Windows device and an Android device. We can actually browse through the directory structure and find that TPK and load it. So that would be a different base map. This obviously we can't do the browsing on an iOS device, so iPads and iPhones this wouldn't work, but we've got it enabled for other devices or other platforms. This is actually a download map, so if you've got a TPK that's prepared and you've got it on a web server somewhere, you can actually download it to the device this way as well. These two options here are new to this version of the application. We've actually got a street map download and an imagery download. So if you select this one, we'd actually download the vector data which we're looking at now to the local database on the device. This one obviously would pull in imagery. Now I've already got copies of these, so we don't have to wait to watch this stuff coming in, so I'll show that in a minute. This is obviously a base map switcher, and I'll show you these two in a moment. Actually, this one just clears out the database, so if you've got base map tiles in there, you can actually clear it all out. So if you're done with all the work you've been doing offline, you go into another area, you can clear out everything that's there. We've got some other tools in here. Show my location will zoom us to where we currently are. Follow me will actually track us, and then we can actually drop points via GPS with this tool as well. So we've got a number of different tools that we've got included. What I'm just going to do in this application is simply go offline. So selecting here takes us offline. Let's just go zoom back, and you can actually see that we are offline. We're no longer pulling any data from outside of on the internet. What you're looking at in the middle here is actually sitting in the local database. So we've downloaded this street data as it is, or vector data, and we've got that stored locally. You can see obviously we've still got all of the feature service or the feature layers overlaying this. Let's just do a switch as well, and again we're offline still. We've already downloaded some imagery, satellite imagery, again all coming from the local database, so we can switch between. So if we're in the field with no connections and we want to switch between base maps, it's all stored locally, it's still on the device, and we're good to go. Why don't we go ahead and just drop a point on this in the application here. So let's go ahead and I'll just drop a construction point and we'll pop it down here. Now you'll see that we've got the attribute inspector that comes up. I'm not going to fill out any fields. You'll actually see there's a cross there that shows that this is a feature we've added, but we've added it in offline mode. So what we want to do is go back online and actually add that feature to the service that we've got in ArcGIS Online. I'm simply going to collect this, click on the online button here, and you'll have actually seen that we've got the point, the X is no longer there. That's actually now stored on the back end, so automatically when you go back online the data is stored there. So that's our current incarnation of the application. We continue to evolve the work here. The next phase of our work is to actually add widgets to this. So we're going to add a number of widgets which will provide additional functionality. If you're interested in this type of work, please let us know. You can contact me directly, matt@webmapsolutions.com. We're building out this base application for specific customers who have requested certain functionality. So we have the ability here to design this for your particular workflow, so it can look as you want, and we can actually provide the tools that you require for you to work online and offline. So feel free to contact us if this is of interest, and we can tell you a little bit more about the process. Thanks for watching.